everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Proton Calendar step by step. Signing out of your account is a good security practice, especially when you're using a shared or public computer. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android device, or iPhone, and make sure you're signed in to your Proton account. Wait for the calendar to load completely before continuing. Next, locate your profile icon or account menu, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click or tap it to open the account options. Now look for the Sign Out or Log Out option and select it. Proton Calendar is part of your Proton account, so signing out will also log you out of other Proton services you're currently using in the same session, such as Proton Mail, Proton Drive, and Proton Pass, depending on your device and browser. After selecting Log Out, wait a few moments while Proton securely ends your session. You'll then be redirected to the sign-in screen, where you'll need to enter your Proton account credentials the next time you want to access your calendar. If you're using a shared computer, it's also a good idea to close your browser window after signing out. On mobile devices, you can simply sign back in later using your Proton username, password, and two-factor authentication code if it's enabled. And that's it. You now know how to log out of Proton Calendar and keep your Proton account secure, especially when using shared or public devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.